Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. Now please excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a cold, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. I finally tried the Aussie Miracle Curls line. So I have not used Aussie in a minute. Like, I used to be obsessed with their 3-minute miracle. So let's just start with the shampoo. All of the products are infused with coconut and jojoba oil. I've never used a shampoo from them, so this was really good. Very moisturizing and softening to the hair, had great slip, a great lather, and it just made my hair feel cleansed without being stripped. Now this shampoo is not sulfate free. All the products actually, although they do range from like $2.99 to $4.99, very affordable, they do have some bad ingredients in them. So they do have sulfates, they have parabens, they have silicone. So just keep that in mind if you want to try these out. Next, I went ahead and used their conditioner, and I have used an Aussie conditioner before, so I really like the old conditioner. It's very it's like really creamy and moisturizing. So this Aussie Miracle Curls conditioner was very similar, except for it was a little bit lighter, if I would say. Like, it was thinner and a lighter weight product. So honestly was like, is this even gonna work on my hair? But it did. It was very softening. Had amazing slip, and especially because I had left my Flexi Rod Set in and for a minute, and my curls were literally like knotted together, so it really got my tangles out, and then it just gave me some really good curl definition. So I really liked the conditioner. So usually I would just be done with a shampoo conditioner, but I did want to try their new 3-minute miracle, so that's what I'm going to use next. So the 3-minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner, it's supposed to transform dry curls in just 3 short minutes. So like I said, I did like their 3-minute Miracle, the original one, but this is their new curls one. So this was a lot thicker than the conditioner. Thicker, creamier, tad bit more moisturizing, so I did definitely love it. Now I forgot to show like any type of curl definition because my water was getting cold, so I just went ahead and put it up, did the other side, and let it sit while I showered and stuff. So this one is sulfate and dye free, if y'all care to know. But yeah, I just left that on, and then when I rinsed it off, my curls were just super soft, super hydrated, and yeah, so I definitely loved all 3 of these like wash day products. Alright, so for the style I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I did get their cream pudding, but on the instructions it just says to distribute to your hair and let air dry. So it does not say anything about like twisting, braiding. Y'all know these products aren't like typically catered for us, so you know them girls don't be doing them twist outs and stuff. So I just did a wash and go. So I went ahead and sprayed my hair with water, detangled with my Tangle Teezer, and then I'm going to start with their Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. Now this and the other product, they smell like Wetline Xtreme to me. They don't smell like the other 3 products I just used, but this is supposed to nourish, detangle, and reduce frizz. Putting it onto my hair, it was very light. I would say, at least for me, it was kind of like watered down. It didn't really feel like it was doing much. Now it did have slip. As far as my hair, it did soften it up. But I probably would not use this again because it's just, I don't know, I feel like it's just kind of pointless. So I am glad that I got another product to layer on top of that, because that leave-in conditioner would not have worked underneath a gel or for like a twist out or something. So with this cream pudding, it is sulfate, paraben, and dye free. Smells like Wetline Xtreme, like I said. As far as the consistency, it was a weird consistency for a pudding. But it does say cream pudding, so I don't know. It was just a weird consistency. It felt like a conditioner, honestly. But I went ahead and put it onto my hair, and I was really surprised. Like, it went on so moisturizing. Had great slip, and it made my curls feel very soft, very like shiny, and they were very defined and like clumped. So I was like, okay, I really liked this. Now this everything except for the shampoo and conditioner, those are $2.99, and then the rest are $4.99. So like I said, they're affordable. I really liked how my curls were looking, so I went ahead and paired my clear Wetline Xtreme on top. Now y'all know that Wetline Xtreme is like my favorite gel right now. I have been using it like crazy. So yeah, Wetline did exactly what it does. It elongated my curls, made them even more defined. So I went ahead and just shingled my hair like I typically do for my wash and goes, and I had really high hopes because that pudding, like I said, it really shocked me, and I just had very high expectations for this wash and go. So I'm going to speed through because y'all have seen me do wash and goes a billion times. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like once I finished. It took me an hour to do this. My curls are looking really defined, and yeah, I just sat underneath my hooded dryer for like 20 minutes or so, and then these are the final results. So you guys, I'm going to be honest, like I always am, but I did not really care for this wash and go. Like, I don't know. You guys have seen my last few wash and goes using using Wetline, and they came out really good, but this one had frizz. It still felt like really hard and crunchy, even though I scrunched it as much as I could. And it was not like as soft as I would like it. I knew by the next day that it was going to start drying out, which it did. So I ended up washing this early because yeah, the moisture did not last. So I was not really impressed with the leave-in conditioner or leave-in detangling milk and the cream pudding, so I would not recommend those. But the shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner, I highly recommend you guys to try if you aren't like ingredient conscious. So let me know what you guys think about this wash and go, because I already know you guys are going to love it like you guys always do. Let me know if you guys have tried these products and how your experience was. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I have some really fun videos coming up, so make sure you are subscribed. See you guys in my next one.